Welcome to You Can Do It. Today we're going to be looking at replacing the front fog light, the T5.1 front end. Basically, there's the fog lamp. You can see basically what's happened. It's one of these things that just appears. No one seems to know anything about it, but this has happened, and it's basically, look, it's cracked. But holding that lamp. So today we're going to look about how to take that panel off and replace that, which is probably the same as if you want to actually upgrade that and put a slightly different lens unit in there, whatever. So the first thing we're going to look at is how we get this panel off here. All right, so the big thing is before you even start to know where the tabs are. So you've got a tab about there, you've got a tab about there, you've got a tab about there, you've got a tab there, and you've got one at the end there, and pretty much the same underneath. Now this end, you've got like little tabs that go in that way, so you can't pull it out from that way. So this is the way, this is the end to start at. So get yourself something like a knife or something that can fit in there, look, and you can then start pulling this here. But you know where your tabs are. Now these tabs, you need to push them in like that, and then you can pull them down. So that one's out. This one is here. Push it in. There, see it's there. Do one in here. There, that's in. What's the blooming wasp got in here? There's one there. Yeah, see those two, and that they are. She's popped off now. Look, so you can see where you got your tabs. One there, and all the way through. Then this end just pulls off. So we'll put that down there, and then we've got the light unit here. Now, to get this off, look, you can see we've got a torque bit in there, and then there's another one on this side around here. Let me go and find the right torque bit size, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so T25. Put your T25 in there and just start taking that off. So there's three to do, one there, and one there. So I'm just going to undo those three. I'll be back in a second. Okay, taking those three out, look, and she's off there. So it's just a simple case of taking this connector off here. Okay, to get that off, look, you just have to push that there, look. That pulls that tab off there. And it comes off that tab there, because I'm just showing you that because, you know, sometimes you're sitting there trying to work out how the hell they come off and you're pulling it, and next thing you know you bust something. So very simple. So I'll take that off, and I'm now going to unpack my new one and see what belts I need to change. Okay, here's the new one, genuine Hella replacement part. Actually wasn't too expensive, this thing. I think it was under 30 euros. There you are. That's a new unit, and it looks like they give us the whole lot, yeah. The whole lot, including all the mechanisms. I literally can just plug that back in, and off I go. So let's go and do that. Just a little bit here. If you were just actually going to change the light, if the light had gone, you just literally twist that like that, and that comes out. Look, there's your light. So you can change your light unit or put an upgraded light unit in. Put it back in, turn it, and it's done. And then we put it back as we came. So let's go and do that now. Okay, just push that on there and make sure it clips. You hear it clicking. You can see that's clicked down there at the back. That's good. Now what I'm actually going to quickly do is just put that there, and I'll just turn the fog lamps on and make sure it works. Once that's cool, I'll just put those three screws back on. Okay, I've just turned the lights on, and of course it comes on, so that's fine. So I can screw all that back up. Okay, so now it's time to put that in. So you can see you've got like two little tabs there on the end. They fit in first there, and then you just gently push it in as you go around, and you hear it clip. Oh yeah, she's all clipped in. Now that little hole there is to put a T20 torque bit 20 in there, and you can adjust your angle of that light if you need to for your MOT or whatever test you've got in whichever country you're in. So that's it. Yeah, basically that's how to replace it, and that's all that's new. Hope that helped. If you subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more stuff about VWs and how to do it. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.